Hello, I'm the Budget Modeler and this is episode 35 of the Trumpeter 148th DKM Type 7C U-boat build. This is a bit different as it is a legacy build kindly donated by Cornelia and is also kindly supported by Salisbury Model Centre and Models for Heroes. Anywho, if you're watching this, then please subscribe to my channel, give the video a like and ring my bell, that'd be brilliant. Thank you! In the last episode, we got it fitting correctly and we're ready to seal it up. But firstly, we have to clear out all the shavings. So we'll be taking the airbrush, cranking up the pressure and getting rid of all that crap and muck. So without much further ado, let's crank up the speedy uppy thing and crack on. While we're doing this, as an FYI, this will be a shorter video as we're up to date on everything that we've done. So next week's will be the cleanup of the hull. There we have everything cleaned out so we can do a final dry fitting and see where we are. I'd noticed earlier that the locating points on here had come away, so we decided to make some more. So we're going to drill out the holes to fit the styrene rod and start joining the two halves together. Woohoo! There we have that done. What we did is measured how deep it went into the hole, then the length back from the hole, and then cut it off and glued it in place. Now to get this bad boy together. So here we go with that. There we have the bow and the first section of the deck glued in place. We've had to section it off as we want the glue to go off as much as possible. So we left it for 24 hours. We're pretty sure we could have got away with 12 hours, but I don't want to risk it. Now we go for the next section. That's section 2 done. As you can see, we've missed out the conning tower section, as we thought it'd be better as it looks a bit more complex than the bow and the stern sections. So let's get this sorted, shall we? There's the top part of the hull done. There will be a lot of cleanup and respraying to be done there. Now for the hull. So, why is my shoulder in the way? Let me show you. I've only got to manage to glue the bloody halves offset. How the actual did I manage that? At this point it nearly went. I was so annoyed at myself. But then, this is the hobby. Check, check and triple check, then check again. This hobby is allowed to be a twat to you occasionally. Why? Because look at all the good things it gives you. I'm not going to list them, I'm sure you can work them out. Anywho, let's get the bow sorted and get this bloody hull together. Bow section sorted and clamped up. Now for the hull. There we have the hull glued up. I'm going to give it 24 hours and see where we are. Fingers crossed this works and holds. Right, let's get these clamps off and see where we are. Here we go with that. The bow is looking so much better. Nothing a good cleanup and respray won't fix. What about the rest of the hull? That's all looking good. Really happy with that. Onto the cleanup and respray operation next week. Anywho, thank you to Cornelia for this donation, and thank you to Salisbury Model Centre and Models for Heroes for the support and assistance, and thank you to you for watching episode 35 of this build. If you want to see what happens in episode 36, then please subscribe to my channel, help it grow, like the video, leave a comment and ring my bell. Remember folks, stay safe, keep on modelling.